With this simple grid, you can create thousands of amazing geometric drawings. Very easy and very fast. Hi, I'm Edward, and today I want to start a new series in my channel. In this series, I want to show you the most amazing and the most easiest drawings that we can create from this amazing grid. I have two goals in this series. The first goal is to show you how to draw all of these drawings that are behind me and many more. The second goal is when I finish this project and when I create many drawings, I will put them in one video. Each frame from that video will be one drawing. So when we play that video, we will see some strange geometric animation. Okay, let's start to draw. First, I will show you how to create the grid. We have to make a circle. And then to divide that circle to 12 parts. I have a video about dividing circles. You can check in the description. Now choose one of the lines and mark each centimeter. Then stick the compass to the center of the circle and use that marks to make more circles inside. Okay, the grid is done. We created that grid only to get these points. By connecting these points with lines, we can create different geometric drawings. You can make different combinations of connections to get different drawings. Also, you can use a compass to connect the points with circles. Now I will show you one of the most easiest combinations that we can make on this grid. the drawing is done. If you want, you can put some colors. That's your choice. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support my channel, check the link in the description. You can find all of these drawings on t-shirts, iPhone cases, pillows, and many more things. Check the link. Goodbye.